Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to walk you through some of the softwares that you can use to really help you to manage your carpet cleaning business and take it to the next level that maybe you didn't know exists. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal journey to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through our one-on-one digital marketing program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. So I want to talk to you about a little piece of completely free software that has been an absolute game changer for me in terms of managing my business. I believe that not many carpet cleaning businesses really know about, that I wanted to share with you guys because I think it could be a massive help to you as well. Like I say, it's completely free of charge and this has been a game changer for me. There's a desktop version, it's just like a web app, so you just go to a website and you log in, but there's also a cell phone version of it. There's an app that you can download as well. And I have this on my phone and it's amazing. And it really enables me to manage my business, my day-to-day on the go from my phone effectively. It's called Asana. It's kind of like a task management kind of software. And so what you can do is just to kind of give you an idea, right? So I have down here, we have all the different areas of our team. Do you know what I mean? So this is my social media team. They're the guys that are responsible for editing and posting this very video that you're watching right now. We have our business operations channel, which is really sort of general business operations. This is the Facebook ads management team. These are the guys that are in the back office managing all of the marketing campaigns of our clients, trying to bring in the best results possible. Same on this channel. We've got client management. So that's people on the front end, the liaison between us and the clients. This is our channel for building. These are all the new clients. These are all the carpet cleaners that have just signed up with us in the last week or two. So we've got all of these different channels and so all of these kind of different departments, and we can create tasks within each one, but you can also make tasks for yourself. So I have all of these tasks in here and all of this stuff, and it really helps me to manage my day-to-day as well, on a personal level. So it's absolutely amazing. And just to kind of give you a bit of an idea, so you're going to click here, you're going to hit plus, you're going to hit task. Let's say it's make Facebook post. You can say who it's for. So you can say, here we go, it's for this person. You can put it in a project, so you can post it in there, so you can create the task and you can put in the notes about what you want that person to do. You can say, when it's due. So you can say, right, today, and you can have it so that it repeats every week on a Monday, right? Or daily, every day. And you can add attachments. So pictures, images, whatever, right? And so you can set this up. So every day, you're gonna have this task, it's gonna come up in the system. You're gonna get reminded to post on Facebook, post some organic content. And when you've done it, you just click this button here and it marks it off as done. And then what's gonna happen, if it's a recurring task like this one, it's then gonna reappear, on its next date when it's due automatically. I have this built out with everything that I need to do every day, from the really important stuff, the stuff that's gonna move the needle forward. And often I'll put, priorities, this is a priority, this particular meeting on that particular day. And literally all I need to do is every single day, open up this app on my phone or on my computer. I can see, so on Wednesday, here's all the different things, Thursday, Friday, I have everything mapped out. I just come in here, just work my way through this list, tick each one off as it gets done. And as long as I do that every day, I get up, come to the office, work my way through this list, starting with the most important things first, the priority, and then working my way backwards down to the things that are of least priority. As long as I do that every day, rinse and repeat, I'll always move the needle forward in my business. I'll always make sure that the most important things get done. As long as I keep this up to date, I'll never, ever, ever forget to do anything, ever. I can be walking down the street, somebody could email me, I could have a phone call, I could get an idea, and I think, I better make sure I don't forget to do that. I just open up this app on my phone, Asana, and so let's say it's the Thursday. I think, right, tomorrow I need to remember to email that guy. Just come to me walking down the street because I just got a message. Open up the phone, open up Asana, email so-and-so, boom, set it to Friday. Great. Cool. Let's say I have a new recurring task. I have a meeting with my accountant and he says, John, I need you to start sending me your receipts every week on a Thursday so that we can process them by a Friday. Again, I'm a busy individual like many of us. I can go into Asana, I can come into here, I can set a reoccurring task, right? That every Thursday I need to send receipts on a Thursday, recurring weekly. So on a Thursday I'll come in, I'll see, right, what are the things I need to do today? I'll get to that task, send the receipts, I'll send them over to the accountant. I'll click this, I'll mark it off as done, and then that task will reappear on autopilot the following Thursday without me having to do anything. So literally you can plot and plan everything out in here. And of course, sometimes things move. You might have something that you have down on your to-do list on a Monday that doesn't get done. It's not super important. So you end up moving it. You come into here, moving it to the following day, right? Because you just didn't get it done on that day. And it wasn't important that you actually got it done that day. You change it up. So you can kind of manipulate everything. In my last video, if you haven't watched it, do check out that. It's about daily routines and stuff. And as part of my daily routine, at the close of business every day, I'll come into here and I'll make sure that I've got everything in place, like the list, like what I need to do the following day. I've got it all mapped out in here, the whole plan, all the tasks that I need to do for the next morning. It's all in here. And so when I come into the office the next day, it's the whole thing's built out and I don't even need to think. I just come in and do the tasks. Like I say, starting with the most important thing first, the thing's going to have the biggest impact, work my way back, tick these off as I do them. And it's really simple. It's amazing. And you can never ever forget to do anything as long as you're on top of this list, as long as you remember to keep this updated. You can basically have everything kind of planned out and be super, super, super organized. If you're an owner operator, you've got ideas, you've got plans, you've got things you're looking to implement, download this Asana app, sign up. It's completely free. Map everything out in here, create your to-dos. You can just work from every day. Download the app on your phone. You're going to get pop-ups, things reminding you. If you've got a team like I have, if something needs doing, for example, if a carpet cleaner emails us and says, hey John, can we change the offer from 3 rooms and a hallway for X dollars to 4 rooms and a stairs for X? I can come into here, I can create a task and tag the relevant team member, tell them, yeah, it needs to be done by Thursday. They'll get a notification about this task. They'll be able to come into here, they'll be able to pull this up, all the various questions, all the info that they need to complete that task will be in here. Like I say, I can add attachments. Maybe a client sent us a new video. I'll go into the client management channel. I'll create a task. I'll assign it to the relevant team member in my company. I'll attach the video. I'll say, hey, this guy, this carpet cleaner, he sent us some new videos to test in his advertising. Here's the actual video. I've attached it. I'll tag the person. And then, what's really cool is that I can then have a conversation with the team member around this particular project, around this task in the comments section here. She might have some questions. She might leave a comment on the task. I can comment back and then we can see the whole history of that task. And then when she's done it, she marks it as complete, boom, clicks that button. I get a notification. So I'm able to see that task has been done. And then we can reach back out to the client and say, hey, that's been taken care of for you. This is a great way to manage your business. So again, if you're a carpet cleaning business owner, you've got a team, you've got a front desk, you've got technicians and things like that, and any kind of day-to-day admin orientated tasks that they need to do, you can pop this, build that all out in this system, and they can come in, tick off as they do things each day, as you give them tasks, as you give them jobs, especially in an era where we've coming out of COVID, where a lot of us are working remotely now. It can be huge. What we have in here as well is I put my training manual. So any new employees that sign up with us, that any new employees that come on with us, this is almost like their training manuals in here. We've got an operations manual channel. They can come in to each of these. We've got videos they can watch, training materials, and they can kind of go through here as well. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about this little bit of software. It's super cool. Might come in super handy with managing your day-to-day as a business owner, managing the business overall. It's completely free of charge. And I just wanted to share it with you. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, check out the link in the description where you'll be able to schedule a call. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.